Hey everyone, welcome back. Thanks for joining me here today. Well, as you can see, I have a different layout. So in our cloth and paper subscription box, there was an insert that was a weekly insert. Let me see, this is called the horizontal weekly undated insert. So I thought I would give it a try. This is my agenda that I use mostly for work, although I do have home in it too. So I guess you can call it my everyday carry, which people call that EDC. But I thought I'd try out this week, and then I'll go from my week to my dailies, because that's what I use on a daily basis, because I'm a school teacher and I teach different grades every day, and so the times are different every day, so I needed something that I could have a schedule on. Go ahead and get started. Just letting y'all know I'm going to speed up my process, and then we can have a chat when it's all done. All right, let's get started. All right, in order to write on these dots, I'm going to use this it's called a Uni Pen. Well, y'all can see that. It's called a Uni Pen. I got it from Cloth and Paper. Okay, so let me just show y'all what I'm doing also on the side. So on the side, I actually have my planner out, This is my monthly overview. I always look at my monthly overview first, and then put things on the week. But normally I go from the month to the day. But since I'm doing a weekly this time, I'm going from the month to the week to the day. So I've already done my monthly. Y'all, isn't it so cute? Oh my God, I love it. It feels, I love it. It just, I'm ready for spring to come, as you can see. Oh, this is another quote I found I love. You only have control of 3 things in your life: the thoughts you think, the images you visualize, and the actions you take. Oof, speak to me. All right, let's go back. I'm back. So thank you so much for joining me today. Those of you who are subscribed, thank you so much. Just so you know, I appreciate you, and I'm happy that you come back week after week, even to see me take on something like this. Those of you who haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Consider joining this little family that we have. I think it's great. I love to connect with you. So make sure that you like, comment, and once again, subscribe. Click on the notification bell. Let me know your thoughts again, what you think about this. Don't forget that planning is all about taking charge of your life, one plan at a time. Have a great week.